Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please subscribe to my channel. First of all, thank you for being here. I really do appreciate you coming here every day and giving me your support. I really do appreciate you. The COVID vaccine has been given the go-ahead to the FDA to approve the vaccine by a number of 17-4. It has not passed authorization from the FDA yet, but this is very good. I think it will pass the FDA maybe today. Once the FDA approves it, the vaccine will start being distributed within 24 hours. If you are rich and can gamble with your money, you should be happy. The stock market is skyrocketing right now after all of this breaking news. But then if you can play in the stock market, then I guess you really don't need stimulus. I know I can't gamble in the stock market. I can't play with my money that way. So now Congress, maybe with this vaccine being approved, maybe Congress will hurry up and get the stimulus package done. So state and local governments will have the funding that they need to pass this vaccine out to the people that needs it and wants it. If not, we will soon have a lot of vaccines going bad sitting on the shelf. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Will Congress pass something soon, or will they just sit on it and kick it down the road and go on vacation? Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. So at 1 minute we hear that good progress is being made on stimulus package negotiations. Then just a few hours later we hear that they are at a stalemate. What in the hell is going on with our worthless Congress? Can't they do anything right? Now y'all, you have heard me go off before on Nancy and Mitch. But I'm being dead serious here when I ask this. I wonder when is the last time these two brain-dead waste of human flesh has had a mental evaluation. I really believe it's time. Something is not ticking in their brain quite right. The Mooch Man has said no to the bipartisan package, and now the House is out until next week. The Mooch Man gave the excuse that he can't get enough support in his party to pass the $908 billion package. I just believe this is another lie from the Mooch Man. This crazy man wants to now remove state and local funding. So with that, how does he think the vaccine will get passed out to the people that needs it? You know he's always been called the Grim Reaper. He's the one that they send bills to die. Well, it looks like he's trying to kill the American people now when he's playing with the vaccine. Nancy Pelosi said, if we need to take more time, we will take more time. I'm wondering just how much more time do they need? I mean, they've had 6 months now. Come on now. But now she is willing to stay in Washington and work through the Christmas holidays. But you know the Mooch Man will not do this himself. Pelosi said, we've done it before and we can do it again, talking about staying in Washington throughout Christmas. Our great members of Congress keeps talking about not wanting to bail out the poorly ran Democratic states. Y'all, I am so sick of this argument. I mean, they see Democrat state and Republican states, red and blue. I see American states. I mean, aren't we all Americans? Whether we agree politically or not, we are all still Americans. And when American people are hurting, we should stick together and lend a helping hand. But our government does not see that. The only thing they can see is party lines, trying to make the other party look as bad as they can. This is getting real old. I mean, they're supposed to be helping the American people. They're fighting to keep their job is what they're doing. The mooch man is still pointing his fingers, blaming the Democrats for delaying the stimulus package. Well, what did he just do yesterday when he said no to the bipartisan package? This man is a piece of garbage. He needs to be gone now. Senator Josh Hawley said if Congress can't get an agreement to a stimulus package by next week, he will introduce a standalone package for a second stimulus check for $1,200 each and $500 for the kids. Y'all, this sounds good. This is exactly what we need. But it's too late for that because it still has to be passed by the mooch man and Nancy Pelosi. And I don't see either one of them passing it without their laundry list of wants. So this will just be another bill. I mean, another proposal. How many proposals do we need before we actually get a bill? Right now we have 5 proposals and only 2 are being looked at. And now out of those 2, the mooch man has said no to one of them already. So really there's only 1 left. Another proposal would just be a waste of time because nobody is going to look at it. The mooch man is going to say it's dead in the water. We're working on the bill that we're going to go with. Nancy Pelosi will say it's dead in the water because it don't have her laundry list of wants. This bill from Josh Hawley would be just stimulus checks. And I feel that just stimulus checks is what we need. I mean, think about this. If everybody had money to spend, everybody would be out spending money, propping businesses up, propping the government up with more tax money. Everything would just be better across the board. We could wipe out everything else because people would have money. Because PPP funding, for instance. Okay, if a small business gets PPP funding and then we have a lockdown, nobody's going to be able to go out to that restaurant to eat. Nobody's going to be able to go to that mechanic to get the car fixed. I mean, how long can a restaurant wipe a table down? How many times can they wipe that table down? How many times can they mop that floor before they have to close because they've ran out of money? Because they're paying their employees, but no customers are coming in the door. It makes absolutely no sense. But if they sent a stimulus check out to everyone, everyone would have money to spend. Everybody would be out spending money. Everything would fix itself. Stimulus checks is the only thing we need. It would fix everything. Y'all let me know what you think about this proposal. Well, it's not even a proposal yet from Josh Hawley, but let me know what you think about it. I believe stimulus checks is all we need. I think Josh Hawley is right on the money, but it's a waste of time because the mooch man and Nancy Pelosi will not go for it because they don't get their laundry list of wants. Y'all, let me know what you think in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And please watch this video that's popping up here now. It's mine and my wife's show from last night. It's just a bunch of crazy fun on this show. We don't talk politics. We don't talk stimulus. We don't talk nothing like that. We just have a lot of crazy fun. It's a lot of people that comes to the show, and a lot of people are really enjoying it. I wish you would come just one time to see if you like it. If not, you don't have to come back. But please check it out one time. And y'all, please pray to Jesus Christ to help America. Give our leaders a change of heart. Give them a little bit of compassion to help the American people. And help the families that's been hurt and destroyed by COVID, and the families that's been hurt and destroyed by the lack of action and the actions of our government. Please pray for the world as a whole for healing. The whole world needs healing right now. Y'all just know I love you all. Keep your faith in Jesus. He will see us through this. And again, thank you all so much for being here and for all your support. I really do appreciate you. I love you all. Ciao.